Hi, my name is Dhrumil Nivas. I am a student of LG University pursuing Bachelor's in Mechanical Engineering, currently studying in SEM 4. I am here to present my project, hand operated concrete mixing machine based in manufacturing technology subject. The basic concept of our project is that this machine mixes and produces a concrete slurry or mixture using blades which are rotated by a handle and a chain and sprocket mechanism. We know that when we want to renovate or repair even a small structure at our home, we need a skilled labor which is costlier. To solve this problem, we made this machine which any normal human can use with minimal cost using just basic material like sand, water, and cement. Now let's discuss how to use this machine. First we need to take a bucket and place it under the barrel. Then we will add material inside the barrel, and after adding material we will close the lid of barrel. Now we will rotate the handle given at side of the barrel. After some time the final concrete mixture will be collected inside the bucket. Now let's discuss some other application of this machine. This machine can also be used to produce composite mixture which can be used for farming or gardening. Other than that, this machine can also be used in the industries as a sand muller machine which prepares the sand for sand casting processes. It can also be used as a powder generation machine which can produce powder material for powder metallurgy processes. In future, we are planning to automate this machine by adding motors and sensor, in which the sensors will observe the amount of material inside the barrel, and according to the different proportions, it will give different powers to the motor, which will make the machine more efficient. Thank you.